Welcome back to Psycho Professor English. So, as per the recent update by UGC Net NTA, your answer key and response key will be made available in the first week of July. Alright, so in the first week of July, you can check the answer key as well as the response key of yours, what you did on 15th of June 2023. And once it comes out, we will be discussing the complete paper over here for all of you and what should be the correct answer and what should be not. And then we will wait for the final results, which will be most probably coming in July itself. So from July onwards, you have August, you have September, you have October, and you have November. 120 to 150 days you are having still for preparation of psychology UGC NET JRF. So prepare well. If you have some shady chances this time in June, so make sure that your attempt counts of this time as well as of December. So whatever mistakes, whatever blunders you have done in this attempt, you should not be doing or repeating the same in December 2023. So if you have some lack of knowledge or some topics that you find it difficult, do focus on that firstly, because this time the paper was solely from Buddhist philosophy. I don't know why they are so obsessed this time with Buddhist philosophy. Next time it might be Sufism or Jainism. We don't know. As well, they are not asking from research part as they were asking in 2019 and 20 and 21 as well. In 19, 20, 21, they asked more of the topics from research, they factor analysis as well as to calculate Cronbach alpha. And from 22nd and 23rd 2 years, they have not asked, and this time also they have not asked the student to solve these research paragraphs. They are providing last year in it was I think it was Jean Piaget, and this time it was Vygotsky. Okay, so there was a little pattern we can say, or we cannot say. They focused on the development part of the thing. I mean, how we develop. So the cognitive part by Jean Piaget and the socio-cultural part. There were 1 2 questions from socio-cultural as well. So they focused on development this time. 5 questions from development only. Jean Piaget, Vygotsky. Next time they might move on to some other thing. So what you have to do is prepare well. That is the only way we can do from unit 1 to unit 10, and attempt as many questions as well. The mock test, as we say, questions and mock test should be of some a good level, because UGC net paper pattern, if next time paper like this comes again, so it would be very difficult to do things we have been doing previously, because it is moving little bit to the analytical thinking. They want students to make use of their divergent thinking instead of some random factual information. So there will be a mix of this factual information like the stages of Erickson and the sensory motor operational stages, all those, and divergent thinking like questions they have asked this time. All right. So this is the a little short analysis of how paper might come in December 23. So research part, you have to still do that. We don't know. They might ask factor analysis. They might ask the reliability coefficient. They might ask Cronbach alpha. They might ask validity. They might ask Cooder-Richardson. This time also they asked some formula. I cannot remember exactly, but some formula was there. So you have to do this as well. Very precisely, you have to cover all these topics, and your core part from memory, emotion, motivation, all these. Okay, so we wait for the 1st of July, matlab first week of July. We wait for first week of July, and then we will be doing the complete paper over here, June 2023. All right. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. In this video, all right. If you're watching the for first time, do subscribe the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon. I would not say like this. Do subscribe if you want to. If you like the video, you gain some insights or not. Do subscribe, and then see you all soon in the next week. All right. Thank you. And if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, do join the Telegram channel as well. Right. Okay. Thanks from PPE Psycho Professor English. Good day.